ready to pull up on you.
Man, this
I'm ready
juice
to
they
do it
make
again.
it.
This steps in heavy violin. That's when it comes to the highlight. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Dip, 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 dip.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mini Lawal. I'm a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Nigeria. My channel is about beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, makeup and hair tutorials. So 80% of you watching me right now are not even subscribed to my channel. In case you're one of them, please click on the subscribe button. A few weeks back, it was my cousin's birthday, and we had karaoke night and a picnic party. It was really fun. Let me take you guys back a little bit. And yesterday, I had a job for my client's birthday shoot. And let me show you guys what she had to say about my makeup.
Hi people, can you see this? Oh yeah, patronize me, Lawa. Okay.
Today's Saturday, 15th of October, and I'm about heading out now. It's exactly 12 minutes past 11. I'm getting acrylic nails done for the first time in my life. So I'm used to getting gel nail or just put like nail polish on my nails. That's all I've been doing. But today I'm getting acrylic nails for the first time. It's a big deal to me. Tomorrow is my birthday photo shoot and next week is my birthday. Ha! I'm so excited. So guys, I'm going to take you guys along with me and bye. I'll see you soon.
2 days later.
This steps in heavy violin. That's when it comes to the highlight. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Dip, 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 dip. Don't hesitate when you in it 'cause you want that again. Making up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. When you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it.
So I honestly don't know how to feel right now. I'm just checking my phone and I realized that the videos I made on Saturday about how my weeks have been, my clients' makeup, my cousins, what's it called? Literally, I made an intro about all of that. I tell you, so I think I mistakenly deleted it. And will it be nice for me to say all those things again? Hi guys, today is 20th of October, Thursday, and last time I recorded was like Saturday, 14th of October, while I was going to fix my nails. This is what the nails looks like. It's really cute. I love it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I just finished talking about how I mistakenly deleted clips from that Saturday, like videos I recorded before leaving the house. Yeah, I was meant to have my shoot on Sunday. I ended up having it like 2 days later because my dress wasn't ready and I had to wait, obviously. Yeah, so the shoot was fun. I really liked it, and my birthday is in is it 2 or 3 days? On 23rd. I honestly don't know. So yeah, I just feel like I need to like come here to tell you guys about how and what I've been doing.
Well, well, look who it is. How we doing, guys? Horrible. Oh, Dr. Dar, you said this planet would be a relaxing holiday. I said it was going to be like a relaxing holiday. Look at our resplendent skyscape. 3 suns and Saturn. What could be more relaxing than that? An actual holiday.
So let me give you a little backstory about my birthday shoot this year. So if you know me or you're just getting to know me, I'm so crazy about birthdays. Like I love birthdays so much. So this year I'll be 23 on the 23rd of October, which means it's my golden year, right? So in short, sha, the concept is gold, golden, anything. Gold sha. Are you guys ready to see my birthday shoot video? Are you ready? So let's do like a little countdown, like 3, 2, 1. Woo!